Crystal's Diversity Creations. So, I have recently brought this backdrop, right? Well, I shouldn't say it's a backdrop, it's a wall divider, but I want to make it into a backdrop. I brought it off of Facebook Marketplace for like $15, but they actually do sell them on Amazon, and I'll put the link in so that you can see where to get it. So here it is, and you can buy them yourself. These are actually polyester, but what's even cooler is they're just velcroed on here like this. And so what I want to do is I want to go ahead and I have some heat tape, and I love my sheets. These are actually packing sheets that come um, from the U-Haul store, and you get a whole big old box of 200. Last I bought them was like 200 for $9.99 or something like that. And then I have a lint roller so that I can roll them. But basically, what I'm going to do is I want to be able to take each one of these and just kind of, put some things about my business, about me, so that when I'm doing my videos, I can kind of have them in the back, and it'll be looking all nice. So let me show you some of the stuff that I printed out. I'm just waiting for my heat press to get moving. And so basically, I was thinking about putting these are just 8.5 by 11s. I was going to put like these up on maybe the outsides right here. And then I thought it would be kind of cool to have like information about my reels and my TikTok. I have a larger image that's just going to kind of maybe go like right in on the center one right there like that. Let me move this over so you can see what my little vision is. So like this would kind of go here, over here like this, maybe about right there. So like see how we at the table, so you would still be able to see it. And I was going to kind of align this one so where this is, these will kind of go like side by side. So I'm going to speed up the video once this is up to temp. So I'm going to speed up the video and just kind of be working through maybe doing a panel and then put it up, and then we can look at it and then just keep on going, and we'll look at the whole project when it's done, and maybe you want to do one for yourself. So yeah, and you can probably add anything that you want to add to yours. It's yours. I also have this is another part of the logo that my daughter created for me. Dream Creative Marketing is her brand. She created this logo to kind of complement this one here. And so I'm going to have these kind of placed on there as well. So you'll see how it all comes together. I'm going to put it into time lapse, and then we'll just work along. And if it's something that I want to point out to you, I'll do so. But we're using 400 temp, pressing for 60 seconds. Like I said, we'll be taping down the images and then going ahead and covering them with the sheet. Just kind of visually just trying to see how they align. I'm not doing a whole bunch of measuring. I'm just going to kind of wing it. It's mine. Clearly, if I was doing it for somebody else, I would be measuring it a little bit more. But this is just a fun project that I'm doing for myself. All right. What y'all think? That is hot. Look at that. That's nice. That really is nice. So I'm going to do, well, the one thing that I did notice was that it wasn't, the material doesn't allow you to tape it on there. So I kind of had to wait until I got it on the press to actually lay it down and tape it and pull it back. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take that one down when I'm about to do the one that needs to be similar to this, so that I can just kind of get an idea of how far it needs to go down and so on. Right now, I'm gonna work on the middle one with this image and the contact information. So I'm gonna work on those right now, and then we'll do the other side. I don't really think I'm gonna do the bottom. I'm gonna put something else on the bottom, but for now I'm gonna leave it because most of the time you're really focused at either you're sitting down and you kind of like, right here, or you sit and then you right here. So it's always right about this level. Rarely is it down like at your feet, I think. So I'm not going to do that part right now. I'm just going to kind of stay higher up to right here. I wanted it to be just where you would be able to see it behind a table, or if I'm downstairs working in my space, you could see it at the desk or something like that. So we're going to go here. To do is put this down the bottom of there, and then I'm going to put that extra one of these over here just to add a little balance to it. I guess the best thing is you probably should plan a little bit better, but I didn't. But I would also say, if I was doing this again, I would likely do it on my 16 by 20 press, because it would just be easier to kind of maneuver up under there, especially when, not so bad when you're at the top, but when you start to get down to this part, it's a lot to kind of squeeze back there, and I can't really get my hands back there. So for that reason, and it doesn't close if you don't have it all the way pushed to the back. It won't close and go ahead and do the little auto thing. So for that reason, I would use my normal press. Okay, so this is our last one on this. So I just kind of gotta get it straight here first, and then once I kind of hold my hand there, I know I can play with this. But like I said, I'll be afraid to get burnt. I don't feel like I have to go downstairs and keep that press all the way up. So I don't need to work. And pretty much as long as you know that this is straight and that's straight, and the paper is straight against it, then you know that it's straight. So just make sure your material is out the way, and it is, and out of the way more so than just like that. It's also not on the press, because you don't want it to be getting pressed again. So I might have to pull this down just so that I'm more on the press. Okay. Looks good. Looks good. Give a cover sheet. And then, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and put something on the other side just to bring that down and add a little balance. Push the button, and it's ready to go. So I think on this side I had a smaller one. This one here, I'm gonna just put this right there just so that it kind of comes down a little longer, since that one is coming down a little longer. So I'll just stick this right here, and this will be done. And I think it looks nice myself. What y'all think? I do. I think it looks really cute. And it's such an easy little, project, especially if you're just doing it for your own self, or when you knock out a video or two. You gotta be perfect. Of course, like I said, if you're doing it for somebody else, then your little measurements and all of that gotta come into play. Then I would be, doing a whole lot more. But it's for me, I'm okay with it. And I can just comfortably let it rip. And I'm gonna see how far that one came down to see if I want to add that symbol as well. So let's see. So, okay. All right. So this is what we got on this one. And I just want to see how far down this one comes. So, yeah, we could actually add, oh, perfect. Here it is, and it's nice and small too. So I'll go ahead and add that to the bottom. Like that. So we're going to go ahead and add that little guy down there, so that's actually perfect. So we'll add those two down the bottom. And then just kind of make them look like they both have some length to them. Let's just do it one more time, see how far this one comes in comparison. Yep, that'll end right about the same. Okay, perfect. So I can actually bring this up just a little bit. Okay, so let's get this one here. Remember, I can kind of slide this again. I wouldn't recommend. I like this little press, but I like it for small projects. I would use a regular press for this. It just so happened I was previewing this one here, and it was already up here. I don't carry my other press upstairs, obviously. And I said, oh, well, it's up there. Let me go ahead and use it, not realizing the complexity of trying to get this up underneath it here. So, again, I would not recommend this for a project like this, but if it's what you have, you can make it work just by making sure that your pieces line up on the side. But if you have a larger press or a clamshell or anything, because the only problem with this being automatic is you have no control, and I can't get under here. That's the whole thing that I'm not that crazy about. But if it's just something small that goes on the plate, I guess it don't much matter. But just double check. Okay, yep, that looks good over here. Slide this check under here, and I'm keeping it more up so that it wouldn't move my paper. And then I'm gonna go here. And then that's gonna be the last of it. And then we're gonna take a look at the whole thing. But I personally think it's kind of cute. You have sublimation stuff already, and you can make your own little backdrop. Say you're gonna go do a pop-up or something for the holidays, and you want something like this, or if you do a little bit of YouTubing and you want something, this isn't bad for $60. I mean, and it's customized to what you want to present for your folks. I personally think it's cute. I really do, and I ain't just saying that. I'm really pleased with mine. That's why I was like, I have to do this, and I wanted to do it with you all. See this little piece, and it set up so well. I mean, surprisingly, I mean, I guess it should. It's 100% polyester. But check that out. Is that nice or what? That's hot, y'all. I'm serious. All right, let's put it all together and see what we get. Hey, y'all. Listen, I hope y'all found this video helpful. If you're doing pop-up shops this holiday season, or you do a video or two, a reel, a TikTok, whatever, make yourself one of these. Promote yourself. Give yourself a little bit of, a little spruce or something. This is really easy. It's fairly inexpensive. You could do it. I know you can, and I would love to see what you all put together, what you all come up with. So tag me in it. Tag my YouTube. Share this with anybody who you think would be interested in making something like this. Thanks as always for watching. Crystal's Diversa Creations. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I truly hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks. Until next time, take care.